everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 women's exclusive of the Zoom Air Comforts in the Resale colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new here today, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. As well as be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing perks on there for our members, as well as an amazing merch store that you'll definitely have to check out after this video. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we're going to be discussing a woman's exclusive in the Air Jordan 1 silhouette. This time it is a Zoom Air Comfort, which is incredibly comfortable in the Resale colorway. So we're going to go through the overview. I'm going to pull out another pair that's considered the black and white, but in my opinion is more of a Resale tone, but I want you to see the two next to each other so you can see the color differentiation. Then we're going to go through and talk about size and fit on these, followed by how I style these. I think this is such a clean, crisp color for the summertime. And then we're going to conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So let's jump into the overview. As far as leather quality goes, this is top notch. We've got that tumbled, crisp white leather on the toe box with the perforation going on. And then we've got some more tumbled leather. This is supposedly a Resale color, but I do kind of want to bring out this option so that you can kind of see the difference here. It's giving me just more of a key lime pie kind of feel when it comes to a colorway. It's got hints of greens that come out in the light, and that's what we're seeing color scheme wise on the leather on the front of that toe box. As we work our way up, you're going to see that they've paired this with some simplistic black laces, and then we've got a nice just simple white mesh tongue, and then some more black and white accents for that Zoom Air branding with the swoosh mark on the top there. Then we've got the exposed foam on the top, which we're used to seeing on these Comfort Zoom Airs. And then on the back, we've got it in that nice just black color scheme for the finishing touches on that tongue. So let's take a quick peek at all of those details, and then let's hop into the side panels. All right, so moving along to the side panels, you'll notice that we've got some different textures going on, which I think is quite refreshing. It's different. We've got, again, just underlays of that white tumbled leather, and then some of that key lime green looking leather that's tumbled as well that sits atop that. And then we've got this mesh black swoosh, which is really cool. I do love how the textures are combined with the pebbled and tumbled leather. As we work our way around, we again have those three color variations of that kind of lime green with mixtures of the swoosh mark that go to the back of that heel, and then again more pebbled white leather, as well as a nice pop of black for the wings logo on top of that kind of key lime green. And then again we've got another mesh pattern swoosh mark on the other side panel with those same underlays of the white pebbled leather, and again some nice just kind of key lime greenish overlays of the leather on top of that. Working our way to the inside, you'll see that we've got some interesting textures here. We've got more mesh, this time it's in a white pattern, and then we've got more mesh on the inner lining of the heel collar there, and more exposed foam at the top. Working our way to the inside of the shoe, we've got an all black insole, and as we work our way to the bottom, you'll notice that we have a simple white midsole, and it's finished off with almost what looks like glow in the dark kind of outsole, but it does match that green hue in the leather to a T, and that will finish off the shoe. So let's take a last and final look at the details on this. So moving on to size and fit. So again, this was a women's exclusive, so this was in women's sizing. I am a true women's size 9 in Air Jordan 1s. I would say that nothing really changes in the Zoom Air Comfort version, though these are incredibly comfortable in comparison to just a regular Air Jordan 1. There is just a lot more cushioning, and I feel like I can walk in these a little bit longer throughout my day, but I would say stick true to size on this. Again, I do have high arch narrow feet. So depending on your foot shape and size, this may decipher a different size that works better for you, but on this one, I would say stick true to your size. All right, so let's move into styling. So this was an interesting color to work with. I really wanted to bring in this key lime green kind of accent, and I actually found the perfect t-shirt. It literally was called Dew, Morning Dew. So I don't know if Morning Dew, I think of like a key lime green colorway, but it did work absolutely perfectly when I came to matching the colors that came off the shoe. And I paired that with just some simple black biker shorts for a nice, just comfy, casual, athletic look.
I'm in the big leagues. Told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making hits, dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwin' the fastball. Just too quick for it, peeling off like the whip orange.
For the second look, I decided to switch it up a little bit, and this time I wore some essentials shorts in just a nice neutral colorway, but I wanted to add more kind of green hues to it, this time in kind of a seafoam green. And that is a SKIMS, just nice simple sports bra top. And I layered that with some patterns because I think that patterns are fun to work in with your summer wardrobe. And this time I chose this white button down that had some nice patterns that had accents of a greenish hue. It's not the exact green in this, but I do think it paired quite nicely.
Seen they effort this piss poor, I got too much I gotta tend to. Car payments and the rent due. Told y'all that I'm 6 foot, but with the money stabbing I'm 10 to. Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money in a black whip, got old problems with the friends new. Yeah, I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. Yeah, I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making hits, dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Yeah, told him I'ma hit it out the stands. I deserve another 100 bands. I deserve another 100 fans. Told them this was always in the plans. I just did it cause they said I can. Blowing euros when I'm down in France. Labels asking how I build a brand. Told them put it.
For the last and final look, I decided to wear an all SKIMS look, and that is in kind of a nice green color scheme for the jacket, matching sweatpants, as well as the matching sports bra. And it was kind of like a teal, which they would call mineral online, but that green I feel like just was a nice backdrop to making these shoes just really shine and pop.
I deserve another 100 fans. Told them this was always in the plans. I just did it cause they said I can. Blowing euros when I'm down in France. Labels asking how I build a brand. Told them put a check up in my hands. Boy got time, no cap. Made a few checks, but they all in the raps. Had a few friends, but they suck in the past. I don't even trip when I'm thinking about that. Hopped in the whip and we all in black. Shawty wanna ride till the hop in the back. 0 to 100, seen the rev on the dash. They ain't catching up like I'm moving too fast. I'm in the big leagues. Told them don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in a big league.
So you let me know down below what was your favorite look out of those three, or how would you style these shoes?
A line, we'll be lighting up the night. Nobody gon' tame us, no fear, we ain't scared of danger. So give it your best try, can't nobody stop us this time. So I'ma let my chest poke out just a little. I'm headed to the top, can't stop in the middle. We are on the rise, so keep watching the skies.
We don't need a night light, cause we're already glowing in your lifetime. No one's ever shown you what we're showing tonight. Watch our young eyes light up the night sky. We ain't even scared of the monsters in our closets that made up. We ain't hiding out tonight. Watch our young eyes light up the night sky.
Light it up, light it up, light it up, light it up.
Light up the night sky, light up the
Light it up, light it up, light it up, light it up.
light up the night sky, light up the
Let's toast to the dreamers. Royalty, we the kings and the queens, yeah. And the kingdom's ours tonight. No, we won't be pushed aside. Nobody who's seen us can stay a doubter, we'll turn them to believers. Don't even try to deny, cause we're young, wild, and alive. So I'ma let my chest poke out just a little. I'm headed to the top, can't stop in the middle. We are on the rise, so keep watching the skies.
We don't need a night light, cause we're already glowing in your lifetime. No one's ever shown you what we're showing tonight. Watch our young eyes light up the night sky. We ain't even scared of the monsters in our closets that made up. We ain't hiding out tonight. Watch our young eyes light up the night sky.
Light it up, light it up, light it up, light it
Light
up.
up the night sky, light up the
Light it up, light it up, light it up.
All right, now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So the Zoom Air Comforts retailed at $140, and currently, depending on what size you are, they're going between $165 to $230 on the higher end. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you were new here today, thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Also, give this video a thumbs up. It means the world to the channel, as well as leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out that join button. We've got some great perks on there for our members, as well as an amazing merch store with some great shade items. All right, thanks so much again for tuning in. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next episode.